Hey everybody, Jordan Hinton here, Heartland RV. Today I want to show off our 3.7 floor plan for our Corterra fifth wheels. Now this is going to be a mid-bunk, awesome rear kitchen floor plan, great for families and couples of both alike. Today we're going to talk about some of the features and some of the things that might make this unit a really good choice for you and your family. All right, so we're here at the side of the coach. I want to show a couple features of why Corterra is unique in its own. So we give you a 190 watt panel of solar on the roof already installed. That's going to be your 30 amp charge controller right there. You can use any type of batteries that you'd like. All you have to do is get the inverter and then you're ready to go for up to 8 outlets on the inside. Then you come over here. This year we switched and gave you an outside awning switch. So it's a 3-way switch. You don't have to go in to put your awning in and out if it gets windy. You don't have to run inside. Nevertheless, you have it right there. You also have your coax cables if you would like a TV. Awesome beverage fridge because you got to have cold beverages on a nice day of camping. And then the entryway here, what a lot of people appreciate is the safety of it. You have the MORryde Step Above steps. You have the MORryde safety rail that collapse. So when you're going in and out, you have a nice sturdy entry that you have, and this thing collapses and goes all the way and sits right at the edge of the coach like that. So when you're driving down the road, when you park, we also have really nice black glass doors with the easy assist handle. This takes about 2 pounds of pressure to open. So instead of walking up the stairs and reaching the handle like traditionally, here you can just open it from the bottom, swing it open, walk right in the coach. We're also doing made in the USA Goodyear tires, frameless tinted windows as well. You get your awning with your awning light. We do 2 15K ACs to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Backup camera prep, ladder prep, has an awesome amount of exterior features. Why don't we hop on the inside and I'll show you some other things. All right, so we're sitting inside the mid-bunk here in our Corterra 3.7 floor plan. This little den or mid-bunk area is why that makes this floor plan special. So traditionally with a bunkhouse, you're gonna lose a little bit of living space. So if you're a couple and maybe you have some grandkids coming along, this couch right here folds into a sofa bed, and then you also don't lose any of your living space out there that we'll show you here in a second. So this could be a game room, this could be an office room, craft room. That's what this is for right here, and really a highlight of the floor plan. All right, so now we're right outside the mid-bunk room. We're gonna show you off this loft. We have 2 teddy bear mattresses up here for additional sleeping space. If you don't need the sleeping space, it's also awesome storage space too. You have a ladder that's right below that pulls out and it collapses. You have your control panel here as well with the awesome dimmable lights. This is gonna be separately dimmable from the bedroom. Tankless water heater as well. Full walk-in bathroom here. Really spacious shower. A lot of people are really particular with the shower space, me as well. I mean, I want to be able to shower and not bump my elbows against the wall, and you can do that here. And then you also have some towel holders in the back. And this fully walks around all the way into the bedroom. And then you have your washer and dryer prep in this nice closet here. And then you're gonna have your nice bathroom sink in here as well, backlit mirror, plenty of storage space underneath. We also do solid surface countertops throughout. A lot of manufacturers only do pressed wood countertops in the bathroom. We do solid surface throughout. So kitchen, bathroom, you get that nice residential feel as well while you're on the road. All right, so now we're standing in the master suite in the 3.7 Corterra fifth wheel. We have a nice big king bed here, very spacious. You're gonna have 12 doors and drawers in here, so plenty of space for all of your clothes, his and her wardrobes, so plenty of space to hang your clothes. We also have the industry's largest front windshield here, so you have awesome natural light when it's in here. It's also tinted, and then at night we have the blinds, so you can pull that all the way down to create some more privacy. You're also gonna have your pull-out hamper here that we give you. So usually there's not a lot of space for throw the dirty laundry. If you're like me, just throw it on the ground and get yelled at by your wife. So you definitely don't want that. So we try to give you some space for that. You're also gonna have under bed storage. There's also some places for CPAP machines, phones when you're going to sleep at night. So why don't we go ahead and pop over to the kitchen and the awesome living area. All right, so now we're standing in the living area connected to the rear kitchen of our 3.7. So you have 3 opposing couches here. One of them right here is gonna pull out into additional sleeping space if you like, and then you have the 2 recliners as well with the lighted cup holders, all the nice little touches. You're gonna have awesome smart TV right here, so you can have all your streaming services that you'd like. That comes with a Bluetooth speaker that's up here in the ceiling that can hook up to your phone or hook up to your TV, so if you wanna listen to music or you wanna watch the TV, you got that covered. Awesome fireplace in the winter that you can cuddle up with some hot chocolate. We also do all these custom wooden valances going across in the whole slide out with the wood beam fascia fascia here on the slide out. Seamless slide out floors, so it really opens up the space when the slide out floor matches the main floor. No carpet in here, so you don't have to worry about the mess with that. You also have MCD roller shades, so at night you can have some extra privacy. During the day, just go ahead and put them right back up. Nice dining room table right here. This has some extra space underneath. I don't want the stuff to fall off, but right underneath here with a drawer that pulls out, so you can put your cards under there, you can put silverware there, plates, whatever you might want to put under there. You have the option to kind of choose for yourself there. So then we transition from the living space. We're now in the kitchen. Like I said earlier, solid surface countertops. You have an air fryer oven. This is gonna cook a lot better than really traditional RV ovens, so no more half raw, half burnt pizzas late at night. You have a residential size microwave as well, right above the range. We upgraded this year to slab cabinets, so nice modern feel. Then you're gonna have your single basin stainless steel sink, kind of farmhouse style sink that everybody seems to like. And then you have your coffee, bourbon, and wine bar here. You have slots for wine glasses. Put your wine up there, and then if you want a coffee maker, you have a dedicated spot for that coffee maker, so you don't have to continuously put it away, and you're not giving up really your counter space. And then you're gonna have some pantry room there. Some more drawers. And then you have your fridge. This is gonna be a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge with a crisper in there, a lot of really good space. And then you're gonna have your freezers down below. So that pretty much touches on everything here in the Corterra 3.7. Like I said, this floor plan is great for families, great for couples. It's loaded with features, really good price for the market as well. So if you are in the market, I would suggest looking up on heartlandrvs.com, finding a dealer that carries the Corterra. Go check it out in person. If you don't want to check out in person, we have 360 walkarounds on our website as well. So we would love to see what your thoughts are on this floor plan. And yeah, like I said, for more information, heartlandrvs.com. I'm Jordan with Heartland. Thanks for watching.